Whether you're looking to pair your wireless headphones, speakers, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device, we've got you covered. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth to your LG Smart TV. Step 1. Accessing settings. First things first, grab your TV remote and power up your TV. Once you have it on the home screen, navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually find this by pressing the gear icon on your remote or look for the gear icon that's on your TV menu. Step 2. Selecting sound. Within the Settings menu, scroll down to the Sound option. This is where you'll find the audio-related settings for your TV. Step 3. Choosing sound output. Now, go ahead and select sound output or something similar to that option, depending on your TV model. Some of the wording might be different depending on the ear of your TV. Step 4. Activating Bluetooth. Look for the Bluetooth option in the sound output menu. Click on it to activate the Bluetooth on your TV. Step 5, which is the last step, pairing your device. Once Bluetooth is activated, grab the device that you want to connect, like your headphones or your speaker, and make sure they are in pairing mode. On your TV, you should see the name of the device listed. Select it, and then you should be paired. Sometimes pairing can take a little bit of time, so just be patient, wait for it to pair and get connected. And there you have it, connecting Bluetooth to your TV in a few simple steps. Now you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies with the convenience of wireless audio. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.